Well, today I'm working on a Jeep. This is a JK Jeep that we're doing some work on, and started making a popping noise under load, and come to find out the driver's rear lower control arm is stripped out. So can't tell right now as bad, but there's a gap right here, and this bar just moves around, and as you're driving this gap will go anywhere like up to like close to ½ an inch. It's just stripped out inside there. So I don't know if these are just cheap bars, or if they were just never tightened up and they kind of wiggled around or what. But anyway, these bars are going to go away. We're going to put some better ones on here, but for today I'm just going to weld this thing on here until the new bars come in, because if that came off, that would be no bueno. Weld this sucker up. One more on the bottom. It's got water in it. I can hear it. I can see it bubbling too. You see all the steam shooting out of it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can see. All right, good enough. I don't think I got all the paint off of that backside, but it's definitely a lot stronger than it was before.